Thanksgiving is more than just a holiday, it's a time to create beautiful spaces that make your home feel warm, inviting, and full of gratitude. Whether you're hosting a family feast or just want to bring the cozy autumn vibes indoors, here are 22 beautiful Thanksgiving decor ideas to elevate your style and charm this season. Number 1. Traditional Thanksgiving Table. Start with the classic. A traditional Thanksgiving table brings timeless charm to your gathering. Use natural elements like autumn leaves, mini pumpkins, and rustic candles to create a warm ambience. Pair these with vintage-style plates and textured napkins in muted orange, brown, and cream hues. The beauty of a traditional table lies in its coziness. You're setting the stage for a feast rooted in comfort and nostalgia. Number 2. Faux Pumpkin Vase. For a touch of whimsy, try a faux pumpkin vase. Start with a hollowed-out pumpkin made of durable material, then fill it with seasonal blooms like chrysanthemums, dahlias, and eucalyptus. This piece is not only eye-catching but also reusable, giving you that Thanksgiving look without worrying about wilting pumpkins. It's perfect as a centerpiece or accent for any table. Number 3. All-white Thanksgiving Table. An all-white Thanksgiving table is elegant and fresh, offering a minimalist spin on traditional decor. Start with white pumpkins, white candles, and simple floral arrangements to keep things light and airy. Add delicate touches of silver or gold cutlery for a hint of shimmer. The result? A crisp, serene table that feels both modern and festive. Number 4. Modern Planter Centerpiece. For those looking for a modern twist, a planter centerpiece is just the thing. Choose sleek planters in neutral tones and fill them with succulents, miniature pumpkins, and wheatgrass. This decor piece brings in Thanksgiving vibes with a contemporary flair, making it a stunning focal point for your table or entryway. Number 5. Outdoor Thanksgiving Table. Why not bring the celebration outdoors? Set up a rustic table with cozy blankets, natural wood elements, and warm-toned candles. Add in some plaid tablecloths and mason jar lanterns for a magical, intimate gathering. An outdoor setting lets you enjoy the fall foliage and create a memorable Thanksgiving experience surrounded by nature. Number 6. Vintage Napkin Rings. Vintage napkin rings are a small touch that makes a big impact. Look for rings in brass, wood, or ceramic that add character to your table. Paired with linen napkins, these vintage pieces make each place setting feel thoughtful and charming, reminding us of the elegance of Thanksgiving's past. Number 7. Kids' Thanksgiving Table. Make the little ones feel special with a kids' Thanksgiving table. Use fun, colorful table settings and add small pumpkins, turkey crafts, or crayons for drawing. You can even set up a mini buffet with kid-friendly treats. This table allows kids to celebrate Thanksgiving in a fun and engaging way. Number 8. Pampas Grass Centerpiece. Pampas grass is a stylish and low-maintenance centerpiece that captures the earthy tones of fall. Its soft texture and neutral colors complement any Thanksgiving table. Pair it with candles or smaller dried arrangements for a boho chic look that's effortlessly sophisticated. Number 9. Colorful Paper Pumpkins. Paper pumpkins are a creative and customizable decor piece. Cut and fold paper into pumpkin shapes, using colors like deep orange, burgundy, or gold. These are perfect for adding pops of color to your table or shelves, and you can even involve the family in crafting them together. Number 10. Dark Floral Centerpiece. A dark floral centerpiece brings a touch of drama to your Thanksgiving decor. Choose flowers like burgundy roses, dahlias, and add eucalyptus for texture. This centerpiece combines elegance with the earthy tones of autumn, making it a standout on any Thanksgiving table. Number 11. Terracotta Dishware. Terracotta dishware is perfect for adding earthy warmth to your Thanksgiving table. The natural orange-brown tones of terracotta plates, bowls, and cups complement the colors of the season. Pair them with neutral napkins and simple greenery for a rustic yet elegant look. Number 12. Thanksgiving Home Office. Bring the Thanksgiving spirit into your home office. Add small touches like mini pumpkins, autumnal candles, and perhaps a small wreath on the wall. These subtle decorations can help create a cozy workspace, making your home office feel festive even as you work. Number 13, back door wreath. A Thanksgiving wreath on the back door adds charm and a welcoming touch for guests. Use elements like autumn leaves, berries, and ribbons to create a rustic wreath that ties in with the season. This simple decoration makes your home feel inviting from every entry point. Number 14, mandarin centerpieces. Mandarins add a burst of color and freshness to your Thanksgiving decor. Use bowls of mandarins as centerpieces or scatter them along the table. This simple and edible decor brings an unexpected brightness to your setup and doubles as a delicious treat for guests. Number 15, Thanksgiving piano top. If you have a piano, make it a part of your Thanksgiving decor. Add small pumpkins, leaves, and candles on top to create a festive display. This overlooked spot can become a beautiful focal point, adding charm to your home. Number 16, gratitude tree. A gratitude tree is a wonderful way to involve everyone in the Thanksgiving spirit. Use a small tree branch and provide paper leaves for guests to write what they're thankful for. It's a meaningful decor piece that reminds everyone of the holiday's true purpose. Number 17, Thanksgiving guest room. Make your guest room welcoming with Thanksgiving touches. Add plaid blankets, a few pumpkins, and warm lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. This thoughtful detail ensures guests feel right at home and part of the Thanksgiving celebration. Number 18, harvest wreath. A harvest wreath featuring corn husks, wheat, and dried flowers is quintessentially Thanksgiving. This earthy and natural wreath makes a perfect welcome at your front door, bringing that bountiful harvest look to your entryway. Number 19, fall floral garland. Fall floral garlands add a graceful touch to mantels or tabletops. Use autumnal flowers and leaves to create a garland that can be draped along any surface. It's a simple way to bring seasonal charm to different areas of your home. Number 20, Thanksgiving hutch. Transform your hutch with Thanksgiving-themed decorations. Use seasonal dishes, mini pumpkins, and sprigs of greenery to create a display that celebrates the season. It's a great way to showcase your holiday spirit in the dining area. Number 21, Thanksgiving bookcase. Add Thanksgiving touches to your bookcase. Place small pumpkins, candles, and autumn leaves between books or on top of shelves. This little corner can become a seasonal showcase, adding warmth to your living space. Number 22, small space Thanksgiving shrine. For those with limited space, create a mini Thanksgiving shrine. Use a small table and place a pumpkin, candle, and fall leaves as a dedicated spot to celebrate the holiday. It's perfect for apartments or smaller homes, bringing the Thanksgiving spirit without taking up much room. And there you have it, 22 charming Thanksgiving decor ideas that add style, warmth, and a festive feel to any home. From classic table settings to small, thoughtful touches, these ideas are all about bringing people together. So go ahead, get creative, and make this Thanksgiving unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more holiday decor ideas.